So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, and today's video it's about an update of Simple Energy electric scooters. Before that, we just want to mention that 4 months back we clearly made one video that in that video we mentioned startups like Simple Energy, one of the challenges they got is the funding part. That is one of the reason there is a delay in the production of their electric vehicles. But a good news happened recently last month in November. They are able to raise $21 million of funding, and that money definitely helpful for the production and everything. Now there is one more update from Simple Energy where they recently signed an MOU with Tamil Nadu government where Simple Energy is going to invest 2,500 crore rupees to build the world's largest electric two-wheeler manufacturing facility in Dharmapuri. So this is actually the second manufacturing plant. A point to be noted here. This is actually the second manufacturing plant where Simple Energy already constructing what they claimed earlier that they are already constructing one manufacturing plant in Hosur. The Hosur facility having an annual capacity of 1 million electric scooters. Now in addition to that, they made an MOU with Tamil Nadu government to build the world's largest electric two-wheeler manufacturing facility in Dharmapuri. And the plant in Dharmapuri has an area capacity of 600 acres. So definitely it's a wonderful news because startups like Simple Energy and Ola Electric not just limiting themselves to India, but they are expanding all over the world because they claims to have the world's largest electric two-wheeler manufacturing plants, which means earlier most of the companies usually import electric two-wheeler parts from countries like China. Now with the globally, the impact what they are creating now with the claimed names of the world's largest electric two-wheeler manufacturing facility. Earlier Ola Electric claims, now the Simple Energy also claims to have the world's largest electric two-wheeler manufacturing facility. Maybe within the next 2 to 5 years, other countries may import electric vehicle parts from country like India. So that's definitely a wonderful achievement what the startups in India are making here. But a point to be noted here, so far Simple Energy highlighting the press notes about the investment. But as a customer for Simple Energy, what they are waiting for is not only for the investment updates, because definitely as a customer they will appreciate or happy for the investment raised from these startups like Simple Energy, because that investment also only they can utilize to go for the production. But here most of the customers who are the 30,000 customers who pre-book the vehicle, they are eagerly waiting for updates like delivery date updates or the test rates updates. And a point to be noted here that the first factory which is located in Hosur, the company mentioned in the press note that it will be operational in the early 2022, whereas the second manufacturing unit which is planning to construct in Dharmapuri, that manufacturing plant mostly to operate from 2023. So we are hoping that Simple Energy will soon give updates about delivery dates, the test rides and the features. Most importantly, they said they are improving the features in their electric scooter. These are the main features what the customers are looking after. Definitely they got the funding now, $21 million of funding earlier they announced. With the funding and the recent MOU with Tamil Nadu government, we'll definitely get an update from Simple Energy about the test rides, features in the electric scooter and also the delivery dates. Hoping that should be happen in 2022. And one more update, we are conducting an year-end EV survey. So the main motto of this survey is to get the response from the electric two-wheeler users. For example, if you are using an electric two-wheeler, how is the experience on an electric two-wheeler? So we'll give some options to the questions and you can select this question and answer. So this survey can be helpful to get the data from you so that we'll give reviews according to your usage. That is one point. For example, if you are a non-EV user, you can also mention in comments what kind of an electric two-wheeler you are looking for example, the range, speed and the pricing. These details we can forward to companies also so that companies can understand what kind of audience there are existing in the electric vehicle industry so that they can plan according to that and they can give a reliable product to the customers. And we will provide the form link in the description below and please fill the form. And the last update, it's about the contest. Few weeks back we made one contest to our subscribers. We gave a question to them. All of a sudden, if the petrol prices reduced to 50 rupees per liter, how many of you will go for electric or how many of you will go for petrol vehicles? So for that videos, we got some good response. Especially we received close to 150 comments. So in those 150 comments, we select some of the best comments and we are going to display now. But one point here, all the comments are really interesting. Because of some time constraints, we are just limiting ourselves to display up to 15 to 20 comments from our subscribers. So for genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and for fast updates, please to follow our Facebook page, website and Telegram group. Go green, go electric.